Happy birthday, Auntie No, not
Summer.
Happy birthday,
Ate Summer.
Happy birthday,
Dear Ate.
Summer. Happy birthday to you.
What you gonna say, Ate Summer? Happy birthday, Ate Summer.
Make a wish, Auntie Summer, and you don't. Auntie Dunbar, make a wish with you.
Oh, make a wish. What you gonna wish for Ate Summer?
Auntie Summer knows that a present due.
You give presents soon, okay?
Yeah, presents.
Say, I love you.
We go present in the shop.
Tell, I love you, Ate Summer.
I love you.
I miss you.
Mama, we can buy egg roast and
That's what you give Ate Summer's happy birthday egg roll?
what do you call that? Cake mustard?
Say, I love you, Ate Summer. Say it. I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
Make a wish, Auntie Summer.
Oh, blue kisses, Ate Summer. Oh, good job. Happy birthday, Ate Longlang.
Hello, ito po yung gulay namin galing sa garden. May kalamunggay, tapos ito po yung all fresh from my garden mga my guys. Tapos may kangkong ako, may saluyot. Ito po yung nakuha ko na mga alugbati. Grabe, fresh from my garden. Kayod talaga tayo para may makain ng mga vegetables.
Carrot.
Correct. So, na-prepare na ni Mami yung mga vegetables na galing from my garden. Tapos, kinat-cut ko na yan para makapag-stew vegetables kami. May moringa, may a lot of kuan mga my guys. Simple living here in America. Tapos, may salmon. Air fry. Kasi mas healthy yung air fry. Hindi kami talaga nag-oil ng mga pagkain. Oy, iwas talaga tayo. Tapos yan na po yung air fry mga my guys for 30 minutes. Mag-beep lang yan siya pag maluto. Tapos sinaknak, nag-ash siya ng fruit. Sinugasan ko siya ng salt. I wash salt. And finally mga my guys, this is my 2 days walking for 1 hour. I'm very proud of myself. Correct. So yan na po mga my guys, no. We need healthy lifestyle. I'll try it for my husband and my daughter. Correct.
Oh my goodness! Come over right here. Oh, so pretty! Mommy, make proud of you.
So finally, yan na po, naghangak-hangak na talaga yan si Mami. I'm very tired na mga guys, pero go. Sabi sa sarili ko, tama na. Kapoy na kaayo, pero go pa rin ang go. Ini-enjoy ko lang talaga kasi yung anak ko nagda-dance mga my guys. So yan po yung ginagawa ko mga my guys. I'm very proud of myself na nakakuha na naman ako ng 1 hour. Ang grabe talaga yung sweat ko mga my guys. So finally yung anak ko very beautiful. Yan na siya. Yan siya sa akin. She makes silly to mommy. I'm very proud of my baby. At saka finally, yan na talaga. 1 hour, yung calories ko is 173 nakuha. Tapos yung yung layo, 2 hours kape mga my guys. So, ino-off ko na. Tapos yung anak ko nagda-dance siya ng Christian song. Yan po yun si baby girl. Oh, yan po yun. O nakita niya mga my guys. Tapos, nagsuhid-suhid siya mga my guys. She follow it mga my guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yung sweet little baby. You know what mga my guys? May nagnanak sa aming door. May nagnanak sa aming gawas mga my guys. Yung silingan na mo na lalaki ba? Hindi ko talaga siya inaabrihan. Kasi anumang tuyo niya sa amin, hindi man kami nag-uusap sa kanya. Nag-ano siya dyan sa aming pultahan. Hindi ko talaga siya inaabrihan. Tapos sinaknak kumanta. All my life you had been faithful.
Yeah. All my life you have been so good. You having bread and I am maple. I gotta sing of the goodness
Praise God, mga my guys. Yan po talaga nagkakanta siya. She's singing, mga my guys. She is very serious, mga my guys. O, tingnan niya. Kasi, if I do it, I'm gonna do copyright again. And if I do copyright, I need to delete. So, waste my time to edit. And my memories is gonna delete. So, that's what I just do. Voice over flour. And finally, yan na po yung chicken. Fish is luto na, air fryer. Tapos yan na po yung everyday. Gusto ko mag-everyday ng ganyan. Wala talaga akong pili, mga my guys. I'm not picky of the food. The very important to me, I love doing that everyday. I don't care if that's my sudan everyday. So finally, yan na po yung ulam ni Daddy. At saka, si Daddy, nakauwi na finally, thank God. Sinabihan ko si Daddy na yung doon, ulit tao nag-knock sa amuang pultahan, mga my guys. Sinabihan ko siya, sabi si Daddy, it's weird daw. Ba't siya nagnanak sa aming pultahan? Sabi ko, don't worry. Hindi ko talaga inupin-upin. Yan, naglalabing-labing kami ni Daddy. Sabi ni Daddy, Sabi ko sa kanya, yes. Nagpunta siya sa aming bahay. Nagpunta siya, sinaknak, sinaknak, nag-forward siya sa aming sofa kasi natakot. So yan na po yung ulam. Thank you for watching.